Welcome back, aspirants. Today we will solve one question of welding that has been asked in ISRO 2020. Okay, so the question is: in an arc welding process, two weld coupons were made using two different welding process. Weld coupons means two different joints. Okay, two like first and this is second. Okay, this is called as coupon, and two plates are joined, and uh, one element is called as coupon. So these two different coupons are made by using two different welding process. For the first coupon, voltage and current and welding speed is given as 15 volt, 300 ampere and 30 per minute, and whereas the second coupon is welded with 60 kilowatt and 200 milliampere, and the welding speed is 25 per second. Okay, sorry. If the heat transfer efficiency, this is the main statement. If the heat transfer efficiency for the welding for the first coupon is half of the second coupon, then find the ratio of heat input per unit length. Okay, so uh, first is, what is the heat transfer efficiency? Heat transfer efficiency, I am writing as efficiency HT. It is as heat that is uh, reached to surface. Heat reached to surface. Okay, sorry for bad handwriting. I am writing as surface, SUR, upon how much you have supplied heat. Okay, because there is a always gap between welding rod and your workpiece. Okay, so there is a gap. So how much you are, like for example, this is your work area that has to be weld, and your workpiece, sorry, your welding rod is over here. This is the gap, it is in microns. Okay, so how much amount of heat is generated and how much amount of heat that is reached, because there are some losses. Okay, in between this, some loss in light as form of light, and some is in form of heat. So how much heat that we are supplying, q supply. Okay, and how much that is reached on surface, that is the ratio of heat transfer. Now we all know the unit of power is watt, and it is also known as joule per second. Now if we multiply and divide with a unit dimension of length, let's say mm. Okay, so this become joule per mm, it is known as heat per unit length. Okay, and per second, that is called as welding speed. Okay, so on our surface, because we in welding we are having some velocity of our welding rod. Okay, so in 1 second whatever heat is supplied, that is also depend on the welding speed. Okay, so heat that is reached on surface, it is written as heat per unit length multiplied by velocity. Okay, and we all know heat supply, it is as voltage into current. Okay, so here we have to find the ratio of QL, that means heat transfer per unit length for first coupon upon heat transfer per unit length for second coupon. What is this ratio? This we have to find. Okay, and for that, for comparison, one statement is given: heat transfer efficiency for first coupon, that is half of the second coupon. So efficiency of heat transfer of first coupon, that is half of the heat transfer efficiency of second coupon. Okay, and heat transfer efficiency, as you know, the surface heat that has been reached, on surface, and supply heat, and surface heat, that is known as heat transfer per unit length into velocity upon voltage. For clarification, I am writing speed as a u. Okay, so you did not get confused in voltage and velocity uh, notation. Okay, so voltage into current, this is for first coupon, that is half of the heat transfer rate per unit length multiplied by u upon voltage into current for second coupon. And we know the relation. Okay, this is what they have given. So heat transfer per unit length for first coupon upon heat transfer per unit length for second coupon, that we have to find. That is equal to half of, okay, half of voltage of first coupon. And what I'm doing is just taking heat transfer per unit length of second coupon this side, and other thing that like a voltage, current, and speed for first coupon on this side. Okay, so we have the equation like this. Okay, now just put all the values that we have given. Is voltage for first coupon is 15 volt. Okay, current is 300 ampere. Okay, well, u2, that means velocity of second coupon, that is given as 25 mm per second. Okay, and voltage for second coupon is given as 60 kilovolt. So 60 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, and ampere is given as 200 milliampere, that means 200 into 10 raised to minus 3. And velocity for first first coupon, that is 30 mm per minute. Here is again 30 per minute, so we have to first convert it into 30 into minute to 30 per second. So when we convert it, so we will get 30 divided by 60. Now just solve this. Here minus 3 uh, and plus 10 raised to 3 got cancel out. This will become 2 and this 2 will be cancel out. 15 4 the 60, means this will cancel out. This 0 get cancelled. So the answer we will get, so the answer we will get is 50, 25 3s are 75 upon 4 2s are 8. Okay, so our required answer is 75 upon 8. Okay, so the answer is B. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and subscribe our channel for daily this kind of question solution. Okay, thank you guys, keep studying and stay focused.